Phylogenetic analysis is performed in 5 stages. First stage was related to sequence acquisition. Second stage is multiple sequence alignment. Multiple sequence alignment को हम पहले डिटेल में देख चुके हैं. Here I will just give a brief summary with its available softwares. So basically MSA is an extension of sequence alignment which can be done at 3 levels. That was by dynamic programming by using dot matrix plots, and the other one was using k-tuple और word based approaches. और इन जो डायनेमिक प्रोग्रामिंग में थी उसमें दो अदर पार्ट थे, दैट वाज लोकल अलाइनमेंट और ग्लोबल अलाइनमेंट. ग्लोबल अलाइनमेंट यूज्ड कंप्लीट सीक्वेंस, लोकल अलाइनमेंट सब सीक्वेंस. सेकेंडली हमारे पास जो इनपुट्स थी दे वर मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स ऑफ डीएनए, आरएनए और प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर्स. इन प्रोटीन्स वी हैव एमिनो एसिड सीक्वेंसेस व्हिच कैन बी यूज्ड. देन वी शुड हैव थ्री थिंग्स फॉर व्हिच वाज आवर स्कोरिंग मैकेनिज्म फॉर मैच स्कोर, मिसमैच स्कोर और गैप पेनल्टीज व्हिच अकर डिफरेंट अक्रॉस डिफरेंट sequences. So what was our objective? Objective was similar to sequence alignment for MSA, of course, that to find an alignment between given sequence sets. So what are different softwares available for this multiple sequence alignment? Whenever we say a good software for multiple sequence alignment, we will get the name of cluster software. So that cluster software basically it is a software which is based on progressive MSA, as we have already seen in the some other in last lecture that what is progressive MSA. And then what happens is based on that progressive MSA it helps us to find out phylogenetic analysis or phylogenetic tree information. There are different versions of cluster which are available. For example, we have cluster V, which is the basic structure of cluster or basic prototype of cluster. Then we have cluster W, which is a command line interface. Then we have cluster X, which is graphical interface available for cluster. And finally we have cluster Omega, which is at present time the software available for cluster software. Then we have T-Coffee software, which is again alignment program which gives very good results whenever there are sequences which are more divergent, which are more different to each other. Then this T-Coffee program works very good. So we have then sequence databases, or what is the purpose of this sequence databases? We want to find out an optimal information or optimal relationship between our given sequences that should be based on different mechanisms which are used for alignment, such as exhaustive search. Then what will happen if we use exhaustive search? Then it will give us a very good result, but it will be very slow. So what we used for making a very good and time efficiently searching, we have to use some heuristic based information, which is shown here. That this heuristic based information, what it will do, it will take characters as a group or tuple, that is called k-tuple based approach, and it will give us information or multiple sequence alignment in a very good or fast manner. Again, there are two most popular methods. We can align our sequences in the form of trees, which is a hierarchy information, or we can use star information. In star, what will happen, one given sequence it would be middle, and then all other sequences which would be near to it will be given as a star shaped and with their weights also. So we can find out which ever sequence has the least weight, it will be more closer to the given sequence.